Hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening, Nitish. How are you?
Good evening, sir. Sir, I am fine and you, sir.
Absolutely fantastic, Nitish. Yeah,
So thank you so much, sir. First of all, कि join this live session और आपने थोड़ा सा वक्त दिया है यहाँ पर उसके लिए
always for
थैंक यू
you,
सो
dear.
मच सर.
Always
सो
for you.
सो वैसे तो सर आपको यहाँ पर सर ज़्यादातर लोग सर जानते ही हैं इस फील्ड में. मैनी पर्सन नो यू. सो जो आपको नहीं जानता है सर थोड़ा सा प्लीज़ गिव मी योर इंट्रोडक्शन प्लीज़ सर इज ऑल ऑडियंस के लिए जो आपके बारे में जो नहीं जानते उन्हें थोड़ा सा.
Sure, definitely. So, a wonderful evening, everyone. This side Manish Yadav. I'm a Chief Technical Officer for Adiroha Solutions OPC Private Limited, Bangalore. I'm working as a CTO, I'm said. Like, after that, I also work as a cybercrime investigation trainer for several state police academies. Like, it's a multiple state police academies. So we regularly use it to give police people about some investigation methodology. So in perspective of like ethical hacking model. So right,
यस
Nitish,
सर. यस
let
सर.
us dig into the topic first of all.
सो ज़्यादातर सर जो क्वेश्चंस जो आते हैं वो यही चीज़ आते हैं कि साइबर क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन एक मतलब सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yes, dear.
अंडरस्टैंड
Hmm.
सर. सो आई नो आपको हिंदी मतलब समझ में थोड़ी मुश्किल आ रही है मेरी
बिल्कुल
सर.
बिल्कुल. No issues, you can speak. I will manage in
सो
Hindi.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Yes.
बट आई कांट परफेक्ट स्पीक इंग्लिश बट आई
No
विल ट्राई
problem,
सर.
dear. No problem.
सो हम सर यही बात करने वाले मतलब बहुत लोग जो ये टॉपिक है साइबर क्राइम हो गया साइबर सिक्योरिटी हो गया साइबर इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो जो नए फील्ड में आते हैं मतलब उनके लिए लगता है मतलब हमने क्या सुन ली मतलब कैसे इसमें स्टार्टअप करें कैसे क्या करें तो बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बहुत से लोग.
Yes.
तो उनके
Yes.
लिए आप क्या कहना चाहोगे सर.
So first, like let me tell you about the field. First of all, cyber security. You said that's a fantastic emerging technology.
यस सर.
Cyber security. How to start this cyber security? So in cyber security, the basic thing is ethical hacking. It's a beginning level, like nursery, LKG, UKG. It's
यस
like
सर.
a pre-KG. So
यस सर.
before starting ethical hacking, the person should know about some little bit basics of some technology, like whatever it is that operating system architecture the person should know. Before learning ethical hacking, the student should learn about operating system architecture, which contains like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Android operating system, like iOS and Mac operating system, different kind of operating systems, usage, advantages, disadvantages, everything person should know, because operating system is the heart of the computer or laptop, whatever it is.
यस
So
सर.
some advantages with Windows and some disadvantages will be there with Windows, as well as some advantages with Linux, disadvantages with Linux. Everything they have to know. After that, before start learning this ethical hacking, they might have to know about the little bit basic knowledge on networking, dear. Networking
यस
means
सर.
like routers, switches, hops, TCP, UDP, IP addresses, NATing, DHCP protocol. So everything. After learning these two basic level, they can start the syllabus called Certified Ethical Hacker. Like we can say EH, Ethical Hacking Training. Nitish, am I audible?
सॉरी सर सॉरी सर आई डोंट नो बस पता नहीं सर क्या हो गया था. वो इंटरनेट कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम होगी सॉरी सर. हेलो. हेलो सर कैन यू हियर मी.
Yeah. Nitish, is it audible right now?
यस सर. यस सर.
Okay. So before starting this ethical hacking, yeah, they have to know this OS architecture. After that, networking, then they can start ethical hacking. What ethical hacking will be there? What kind of topics will be there in ethical hacking means like introduction to ethical hacking, who is hacker, why people will do hacking, and what can be hackable, like computers, mobiles, Networks means Wi-Fi's. After that, we can say like websites, Internet of Things, IoT devices, everything, whatever the connected, the technology we are calling can be hackable. The social media passwords, the everything comes under website, right? So,
Yes, sir.
how internet made our life very easy as well as very less private is the concept.
Yes,
The
sir.
thing, what is mean by cyber? First of all, let me ask to our audience, so what is the word mean by cyber? Simply we can say cyber is nothing but it's internet connected over the world.
Yes, sir.
Internet, cyber is connecting the globe, right?
Yes, sir.
Why cyber? Why internet needs security? The question you need to ask yourself. Why
Yes, sir.
cyber needs
Cyber
security?
cyber needs security.
Because whatever the information we are saving in the internet or maybe in our computer, the virtual device, I can say, the data, what is mean by data, dear? Data is a
Data
collection of
data is a
information.
collection of information. Yes, sir.
Collection of information where we will keep our data, where we will keep our data, where we will store. The virtual data
The
will be
virtual
there
the
present in cloud, maybe a screen of a computer, or maybe a screen of a mobile, whatever that hard disk or pen drive or memory card, whatever we are saving the information is data. The example of data I can say like PDF, MP3, MP4, JPG, whatever the data. So this data we have to secure ourselves. Some disturbance is coming, Nitish,
1 second.
please.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. 1 second. I check, sir, again. 1 second, sir.
Otherwise, you just keep it in the mute.
Okay, sir. So, okay, sir. Some mute option is not available in this caption.
Okay,
Sorry, sir.
okay. Fine, fine,
Sorry,
fine.
sir.
Absolutely fine. No issues. So, the collection of data we have to secure ourselves, right? So maybe suppose I have a own business, like I have a office and it is having like 50 to 60 computers, and I have 50 to 60 employees. I have some files, I have some data, I have web application, I have mobile application, everything I wanted to secure. Otherwise, some other
Yes, sir.
people will steal the information from my particular company. Suppose I can say why people will theft information, why people will hack. The question, why people will hack? Because some reasons are there. First reason might be for money,
Yes, sir.
easy money. Second reason may be for revenge or love, I can say.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
example I can say, suppose if Amazon and Flipkart is there, if Amazon wants to hack some information from Flipkart, that will be a probable revenge because they are the competitors, right?
Yes, sir.
In the competition world, everything became revenge. So coming to the personal life, people wants
Yes,
to
sir.
see what their loved ones is doing in Instagram in the night, what they wanted to see, with whom she is chatting with over the night in the WhatsApp. They wanted to
Yes,
spy
sir.
her Facebook, they wanted to spy
Yes, sir.
her Gmail, whatever the application it is.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are another reason is there, that is nothing but it's a, people will say I hack for fun. That's nothing but it's a psychological disorder.
Yes, sir.
The third one is it's for fun. Then it's fun is nothing but it's a psychological disorder. The three
Yes, sir.
main reasons I am saying, main reasons. So remaining all paid hacking will be done. See, I don't have any revenge on you, but somebody is paying to a hacker and asking some information. Pay means
Yes,
he is
sir.
getting some money. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So again,
I
here
have
is the
many
reason.
messages, sir. I have many messages for this,
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
working,
please,
like
please,
WhatsApp
please, please.
hacking, Facebook hacking, मतलब बहुत इस टाइप के सर आते रहते हैं, इस टाइप के।
Yes, 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 Nitish.
जी सर।
Lots and lots and lots of messages will come only because of
Yes, sir.
they wanted to spy their loved ones. Maybe they wanted to take revenge on some other people. That's why they used to
Yes,
ask
sir.
about to hack their girlfriend account, boyfriend account, or friend's account,
Yes, yes,
whatever
yes.
it is.
Only same thing, sir.
See,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
how technology made our life very easy as well as very less private. Once you connected to internet, you are no more secure, including me, including all our Indian elite hackers, all our United States hackers, whoever it is. Once they are connected with internet and they are doing something, means they are not at all secure. Their data was also got hacked.
Yes, sir.
Their personal device got also hacked. their email ID was hacked. Everything,
Hack.
whatever we are doing, everything will be stored in the particular servers of the providers. What I can say, see, I am using Proton Mail. People will think that I am secure, but Proton Mail, while you are installing or using, every keystroke, every credential, every email you are using from Proton Mail also will be stored in Proton Mail servers. When they are having some like deals, they will sell the data even.
Yes, sir.
You got that? So everything is not at all secure in the internet, dear. So coming
Yes,
back
sir.
to the advantage of ethical hacking, I can say
Yes, sir.
how hacking can be ethical. I am saying hacking is a crime. Hacking people will do for money or revenge or love, otherwise psychotic. These are crime, right? It's a
Yes, sir.
unlawful activity. So how an unlawful activity will become ethical? Thus both words are contradictory, right? The two words are
Yes, sir.
contradictory, hacking and ethical. How hacking can be ethical?
सर हैकिंग एथिकल लाइक दिस मतलब जो सही वे में वर्क हो रहा हो, एथिकल हैकिंग लाइक
how
दिस
how you will get some other information ethically? How
लाइक
you
सर,
will spy?
लाइक सर रिकवर मतलब रिकवर अकाउंट्स एंड like strong how to create a strong password and recover
It's
some
not
data.
like that, dear. It's not like that, dear. What will
Sorry,
happen
sir.
is,
Yes,
coming
sir.
to the corporate, coming to the
Yes, sir.
business, what people will do is they wanted to secure themselves. Before they wanted to secure themselves, because of wanted to secure themselves, they will hire ethical hackers. What these ethical hackers will do, with the permission of the owner, with the permission
Yes,
of the
sir.
client, they will start hacking their own website or maybe own network. Once this hacker succeeded in hacking, the person comes to know that it is not safe and secure. Again, he will tell his developer to secure this website or secure this network.
Yes, sir.
Simply, they just wanted to check whether they are secure or not. That is why they will hire security analyst. In
Yes, sir.
cyber security, most probably jobs will be security analyst, the that we can say VAPT, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. So
Yes,
in
sir.
that, again, types are there, like people can choose WAPT, web application penetration testing. People can choose network penetration testing. People can choose mobile application penetration testing. Other people who have interested, they can choose IoT, Internet of Things. They can also
Yes,
take
sir.
for that penetration testing. Whatever the domain they are interested, they can take it as their career opportunity.
Yes, sir.
So it's very simple. And coming back to the cyber crimes. So security, we had seen security. Why people will have they will hire ethical hackers means they wanted to secure their websites or their networks or their mobile application or their IoT devices. But
Yes,
why
sir.
cyber crimes will happen? How many types of cyber crimes are there? Are lakhs of cyber crimes types are there. Suppose we everybody knows like OTP fraud.
Yes, sir.
There is some like web series in Netflix, I think, Jamtara, Sabka Number Aayega.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jantara.
So
Yes, sir.
Jamtara district, Sabka Number Aayega. There, everybody was got trained to do crime.
Yes, sir.
Easily, they will sit in their home. They will collect information from internet. They will call you. They will give you a small offer saying like, sir, you have selected for a foreign trip. You can go with your girlfriend or your wife or whoever it is. So we are
Yes,
going
sir.
to book 4 tickets for you. If
Yes,
you
sir.
wanted to enroll this offer, you need to tell me an OTP, one time password. We are sending it to your phone.
Yes, sir.
People will be vulnerable. People will be vulnerable for the offers.
Yes, sir.
And without thinking anything, people will tell the password, sorry, one time password, whatever
One
they are
time
getting.
password. Yes, sir.
So this is completely, what I can say, purely it's a our mistake, like user mistake. See, every bank, before you are opening a net banking, they will give you lots of guidelines. No people will read that guidelines. People will say nobody will, you should not reveal your OTPs to anyone. You should not tell your passwords to anyone. Everything they will say, but nobody will listen. If you
और
are
सर
getting
टीवी
some
वगैरह में बताया
offer,
भी जाता है, सब
yes,
बताया भी जाता
every
है कि कोई
time.
कॉल वगैरह भी नहीं आता, लेकिन कॉल वगैरह को भी लोग एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं.
Yeah. Yeah, yes, Nitish. So, any other
Yes, sir.
questions people are asking, you can read it so that I can answer. It will be better, I think.
सर स्टार्टिंग करियर की सर बात अगर जैसे करना चाह रहे हैं, जैसे अगर इसमें अगर स्टार्टिंग करना का हो अगर साइबर
So,
सिक्योरिटी में इस वक्त में सर, तो कैसे मतलब इसमें आगे बढ़ें?
so definitely I
कहाँ
can
से
tell
एक
you that.
स्टार्ट? यस सर।
So first, let me tell you, the person should be a graduate. If he wanted to go for any MNC company, multinational company, he wanted to work for. Otherwise, if the people wanted to work for any government organization, like
यस
Ministry
सर।
of Home Affairs is there, MHA. In MHA, there are around 7 to 8 verticals. In that, there is a cyber security vertical is there that is called I4C, means Indian Cyber Crime
हाँ हाँ।
Coordination Center. I4Cs means
फोर सी
Indian
मीन्स
Cyber
साइबर
Crime
क्राइम
Coordination Center.
कोऑर्डिनेशन
So
सेंटर।
people can search for that. Like they can go to MHA website, then they can choose
यस
for
सर।
I4C, so that there will be the what I can say requirements. Whenever I4C required some positions, like they will update in their websites. Even
यस
people
सर।
can search this in BECIL. There is a website called
बी ई
BECIL.
सी आई एल।
So everything information whoever our audience wants to there, I can connect them personally. I can share my WhatsApp number or calling number so that people can contact me directly if they wanted to settle down their career with government. The second one,
सो
they can
एक
choose
सेकंड पर।
yeah,
यस
please.
सर। सो मैं बस यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ यहाँ पे जो भी ऑडियंस है, अगर जैसे अगर आपको लगता है इस लाइफ के बाद कि आप सर से कनेक्ट होना चाहते हो, तो आप सर से कनेक्ट भी हो सकते हो। और सर से कनेक्ट होकर आप पूछ सकते हो गाइडलाइंस, और सर जैसे आपको बताएंगे पूरा गाइडलाइन का पूरा सब कुछ इसमें करियर स्टार्टिंग की। यहाँ पे लाइफ में भी बता रहे हैं आपको, वहाँ पर भी आपको बहुत अच्छे से बताएंगे, तो वो भी आप वहाँ पर कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो। यस सर।
Bilkul. Thank you. So, if a person wanted to set down his career in MNC, multinational company, they must have to be graduated from any degree, BCA or BTech, whatever it is.
यस
After
सर।
that, they need to have little bit knowledge what corporate needs.
यस
If
सर।
you open Google and type whatever cyber security jobs are SOC, Security Operation Center, whatever it is, you can see some JD, job description.
जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन। यस सर।
In the job description, those people will mention which kind of qualification our person should need.